Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, the host will explore the strategic importance of specialized local distributors when entering the in vitro diagnostics, or IVD, market in Mexico. The Mexican healthcare landscape presents a significant opportunity, but it is governed by a structured and rigorous regulatory framework, overseen by the Comisión Federal para la Protección contra Riesgos Sanitarios, better known as COFEPRIS. For any foreign IVD manufacturer, navigating this environment is the primary challenge to market entry. A key requirement stipulated by COFEPRIS is that foreign manufacturers must appoint a local, legally recognized entity to act as their Mexican registration holder, or MRH. This entity is responsible for the entire registration process, post-market surveillance, and all interactions with the health authority. This mandate makes the choice of a local partner critically important, as they hold the legal responsibility for the product within the country. This is where the role of an integrated distributor becomes a strategic advantage, moving beyond simple logistics to become a comprehensive market access partner. We can examine a company like IVD Soluciones Integrales as a model for this approach. This type of distributor offers an end-to-end service for clinical laboratories. They provide brand-agnostic sourcing of lab equipment, reagents, and consumables, which allows labs to equip themselves without being tied to a single manufacturer's ecosystem. More importantly, they handle installation, preventive and corrective maintenance, and provide continuous advisory services. For a clinical lab, this simplifies procurement and ensures operational uptime. For the IVD manufacturer, this model provides a robust, built-in support network for their products. This integrated model also directly addresses regulatory complexities. A specialized distributor stays current with evolving regulations, such as the significant updates introduced in Edition 5.0 of the Supplement of Medical Devices of the Mexican Pharmacopoeia, which became official on July 10, 2023. These updates revised IVD classification rules for products like SARS-CoV-2 detection kits and self-diagnostic tools. Having a local partner that understands and implements these changes is invaluable. They manage the necessary technovigilance systems and ensure that all post-market requirements are met, safeguarding the manufacturer's registration, which must be renewed every 5 years. Ultimately, partnering with a full-service distributor in Mexico transforms a regulatory hurdle into a competitive advantage. It provides foreign IVD manufacturers with a streamlined pathway to COFEPRIS approval and sustained market presence, while offering domestic clinical laboratories a reliable, single point of contact for their diverse operational needs. This symbiotic relationship is key to successfully operating within Mexico's dynamic and growing clinical lab sector. If your company needs assistance with global market access in Mexico or over 30 other countries, please check out Pure Global. In the description, you will find a link to our free AI tools and database. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.